皆数字。我们的世界，我们的生活，离不开比特，跳动着字节满屏赞。实时在线，万物互联，所有吗？汽车尚未实现完全互联，数字时代的变革刚刚启程，正加速向前。我们已经能够定位餐厅、云播放音乐，实现虚拟现实导航。但我们还要实现很多，更多。汽车将被重新定义，更智能、更舒适、更安全、更娱乐、更绿色、更数字。提供全新的出行体验，通过新科技、新软件、新观念，我们关注一切，是的，一切。不仅关注驾驶者，更是乘客、骑行者和行人。行走在路上的每个人都对我们至关重要，所以我们想要重塑移动出行，引领全新技术变革。这很容易吗？当然不，我们有成百、上千、数百万件事情要做：思考、重构、研发、软件、服务、新平台、云端、硬件、架构、人工智能、安全、数据、保障、隐私、拓展、实用、更新、优化、极致、创新、速度、兴奋，够酷吗？当然。我们全力以赴，日夜不息，为行业建构全新架构，为所有人重塑汽车。我们坚信，这将改变世界。我们是 CARIAD， 我们编译移动出行。
Dear media guests, dear colleagues, and everyone watching from around the world, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon, and welcome to the launch of CARIAD's China Strategy.
My name is Tang Xunzi, or you can call me Anthea.
And I am Li Xi.
We are both members of the China team for CARIAD and are honored to be part of this momentous occasion as we take a major step towards software-driven mobility with CARIAD.
It's an exciting day for us. So let's get things started. To tell you more about CARIAD in China and our vision for the future, I would like to welcome our CEO, Changqing, to the stage. Ms. Chang, it's all yours. Dear guests, dear colleagues, good afternoon. I'm delighted that you could all join us from all around the world. Although we cannot be together in person, I'm grateful we have this software and technology to bring us together. As you already know, my name is Changqing, and I have the honor of leading the new China team for CARIAD, Volkswagen Group's global software powerhouse. After almost 30 years working for Volkswagen Group in Germany, I'm thrilled to return to my homeland for a most important task, to establish CARIAD's subsidiary in China, which will help drive the digital transformation of Volkswagen Group and its renowned car brands here. I'm delighted to be telling you about CARIAD and our new China team. In 2020, CARIAD was created within the Volkswagen Group by a team of highly motivated colleagues, of which I was privileged to be a part of. Our ambitious aim was nothing less than reshaping automotive mobility, making it easy, safe, and sustainable for consumers through software-driven vehicles. As a new company, CARIAD has grown rapidly and integrated more than 15 software companies. To date, CARIAD employs more than 5,000 talented people in Europe, coming from over 70 countries, working towards one goal: coding the future of mobility. From my own experience working across cultures in both the engineering and management fields, I have learned that the secret to success is to embrace change rather than fear it. This is exactly what CARIAD is doing. CARIAD stands for nothing less than radical change towards much smarter and, in the end, autonomous cars. We call it the new auto. Our ideal new auto will be driven by software, connected to the whole life cycle of our customers, and open to any new ideas and developments. I think it is fair to say that China is leading the digital transformation of mobility. Right here, we are seeing the rapid development of hardware and software technologies, matched by the fast-growing needs of consumers. Because of this, China is one of the most exciting and dynamic markets in the world. To quote McKinsey, over 80% of Chinese consumers believe that automated driving and smart connectivity are important. And last but not the least, China is Volkswagen Group's largest single market. After almost 40 years of joint development with China's automotive industry, we have earned the trust of tens of millions of Chinese customers and carry with us their expectations for the future. This is why we are building a China team now, making China the first market to have a subsidiary of CARIAD outside of Europe. Our China team will enable us to better understand the domestic market and develop, update, and continuously improve our products with China speed, based on local demands and following a customer experience-oriented mindset. This will ultimately drive the digital transformation of the group in China. As the group's software technology innovation hub in China, to reach these goals, we will make disruptive changes through the way we think and the way we work. We are building up abilities in full-stack software development. This is what sets CARIAD apart and is reflected in the software platform we are developing. We believe that the new unified software platform for all Volkswagen Group brands will be a game changer for the automotive world, since it will provide scalable core technology solutions for intelligent vehicles. We are evolving towards this unified software platform in multiple steps. Our volume software platform for the MEB platform will allow for OTA on certain models. The China team will enable OTA for the ID family here in China, with the first implementation happening in the second half of this year. Our upcoming premium software platform is designed for a new generation of all-electric vehicles based on the PPE platform that will come on the market within the next 2 years. It features a new advanced open-source Android-based infotainment system, as well as ADAS functions, and allows on certain Audi and Porsche models for OTA. Our team here is leading the development of China-specific applications for the infotainment system, as well as for ADAS. And finally, we have our new unified software platform for all group brands, using the VWOS operating system and with a permanent connection to the VWAC Automotive Cloud. This whole technology stack is due to be rolled out by the middle of the decade with Level 4 autonomous driving readiness. The China team will lead and contribute 70% of the development work for its own technology stack and product line, including local development as well as local adaptation. We will also develop, based on local data compliance best practice, the data backend VWAC in China to realize a variety of connectivity-related features and services. Our development work shows that we are not only developing in China for China, but also aiming to bring more local innovations from China to the world. One of our goals is to provide our self-developed technology stack to more than 40 million group vehicles globally by 2030. The China team will work closely with the group's brands and 3 JVs in China to achieve this goal so that we can realize the enormous synergistic effects and economies of scale expected under our New Auto 2030 strategy. Talent will be our innovation engine. We have already brought together the best team from Volkswagen Group China, Volkswagen brand, and Audi, all of whom have extensive software development expertise. But we are eager for more software engineering talent to join us. At present, we have a team of 600 people. We will double our current team by 2023, with over 90% coming from China. With all these talents in our team, we will be able to establish a nationwide, distributed R&D network, working as an agile and innovative software company. Our main locations will first include Beijing, Shanghai, Chengdu, and Hefei. To explain how we are building ourselves as such an agile and innovative R&D team, I'd like to invite Dr. Sun Wei, China CTO of CARIAD, to tell us more. Dr. Sun, the stage is yours. Thank you, Qing. Hello, everyone. As a software engineer, today marks an exciting moment for me with the announcement of CARIAD's China strategy, meaning that Volkswagen Group is taking another solid step into the era where software defines the cars of the future. As Qing already mentioned, China is the fastest developing market for new auto and has the most open-minded consumers for new features, experiences, and technologies. Therefore, the top priority of R&D team here is to update our way of thinking and working, as well as our technology concept. With faster R&D speed and innovative development mindset and an all-new technology concept, we can much more effectively satisfy the dynamic needs of local customers, regularly bring them smart, fresh, fun, and safe mobility experiences, and realize our goal of innovations in China for China. To conduct our R&D at China speed, we are setting up completely new and much more agile R&D processes for software production, one of the most representative being our Forward Innovation Program. By running innovation sprints every quarter, we're creating product pipelines on an ongoing basis, which will be integrated into our digital lifecycle management process and system. And eventually, after the completion of development, be brought to the market with specific vehicle models. A really important step on this journey is to first provide our in-house software developers with advanced toolchains. To explain more, please welcome Anthea, the manager in charge.
Thank you, Dr. Sun. Good afternoon, everyone. We call this set of tools mentioned just now by Dr. Sun PMT, meaning process, methodology, and toolchain. It integrates more than 50 customized and in-house development tools to provide a one-stop solution. It is an automated system that enables various development approaches. This means no matter what our software engineers are developing, the operating system, in-car applications, or cloud services, they will all use just the one PMT platform for seamless integration. As a result, our team will be able to continuously deliver high-quality software releases to all customers throughout the product lifecycle, while ensuring compliance with standards and regulations. Let's find out more with the following video.
在 CARIAD 我们正在推动汽车行业向数字化转型，但究竟是如何做的呢？直接进行编程吗？不，我们首先需要一套创新性的 PMT 解决方案， 包括开发流程、方法和工具，从而赋能我们的开发者在交付软件产品的过程中实现一致性、透明性、高速以及产品合规性。CARIAD 的 PMT 解决方案目标在企业级大规模敏捷框架下覆盖软件开发过程的完整 V 模型。下面让我们来看一下我们的 PMT 初级版本是如何走出第一步，来帮助开发者解决关键领域的一些紧急痛点的。汽车部件的软件需求文档通常是冗长而复杂的，对产品经理而言，如何在敏捷开发流程中应对需求变更是一个典型的痛点。因为需求文档中任何一个微小变更都有可能影响到多个文档和多个后续步骤，考虑到段落之间复杂的依赖关系和因果关系。而我们的软件生命周期平台不仅提供了易用的产品需求文档结构，还能够通过对相关内容的逻辑对比，实现对变更的自动化追踪，从而轻松支持任意需求变更。而对于编写代码的开发者而言呢，我们同样也为他们准备了相应的方案。当一个开发人员在本地环境中完成了代码的编写，下一步是将其合并到一个测试分支中。通常他需要进行一系列的操作，以及通过各类质量检查，以确保代码合格，才能被允许合并到下一步测试。这个过程我们称之为集成流程。这个过程的速度对软件开发的效率和灵活性至关重要。我们的持续集成流水线可以一键自动化完成这些步骤，省去大量的人工操作，从而节省时间。而每一次成功集成后，平台还会生成健康报告，来促成更好的质量保障。当然，我们的 PMT 解决方案还在持续演进中。在不远的将来，我们会提供更加全面的覆盖完整开发周期的 PMT 解决方案。这将是一系列自研系统以及定制系统集成的自动化平台。这套 PMT 集成平台将支持多种开发类型、方法和语言，来支持软件开发过程中的复杂性，同时保证灵活性，从而赋能 CARIAD 中国的高速发展，有效支撑各类产品创新以及快速的大规模项目交付。We support the future。
Thanks, Anthea. Ladies and gentlemen, speed is the cornerstone of success, underpinned by the right mindset. Through market observation and research, we have summarized and defined our own concept to select our innovative ideas called OIC. It is not OIC, but original, impressive, and rooted in car. In our opinion, only original innovations can set us on the path to true mobility leadership as opposed to just following others. Only by creating something that truly impresses Chinese consumers can we motivate them to buy our products and promote them on their social networks. And only if we root the idea in the car itself by introducing unique experiences and capabilities linked to car functions can we create something that differentiates from other popular mobile apps. Through a combined new speed and new concept, in Q1 2022, also the first quarter forward, we developed more than 80 innovative ideas in total, selecting the top 6 for further development, such as ADAS, the intelligent cockpit, remote services, and architecture, with the aim of injecting innovation into product lines within the next 3 to 6 months. To help you visualize innovations that my team and I are working on, I'd like to show you a demo of our rainbow solution. one of our selected innovation projects from Forward in the first quarter. It uses a combined approach, incorporating vehicle functions and software technologies to create software-defined customer experience applications. Li Ying, one of the project designers, will now help me with the demonstration while I explain. So based on the OIC model, this is an innovative user experience application we designed called Outfit of the Day, OOTD. Young people today are very happy to post their beautiful outfits on the internet, giving rise to internet buzzwords such as OOTD. Our OOTD application originates and extends the idea of dressing up, seamlessly integrating it into the digital experience of the intelligent cockpit. As you can see, when you sit in the vehicle, all the digital elements of the interior are intelligently configured according to the outfit you're wearing. How did this happen? The secret lies above your head. The AI camera on the headliner can sense what color or style of clothes the driver is wearing and automatically configures the digital elements, such as the infotainment desktop theme, ambient lighting color, greetings and music, to match the outfit. How did we develop this application? Let me show you. The screen here shows the interface of our self-developed user experience application design and development software called Rainbow Composer. As you can see, we have a series of vehicle functions in the Composer toolbox. For example, ambient lighting, air conditioning, seat settings, AI, and infotainment. It enables us to quickly tailor a new customer experience for a particular scenario with personalized customer touchpoints inside the car. In the future, the Rainbow Composer will also be open to experienced designers to create new, innovative applications. It can even be opened up to customers so that every one of you can personalize your own cockpit experience. A software-defined experience sounds exciting, right? You couldn't realize this imaginative project without a strong base. And that base is the uniform, scalable, and future-proof EE architecture that we are currently developing, incorporating VWOS. So how exactly does it work? Let me explain a little more to you. With this architecture, we can consolidate dozens of electronic control units, ECU, into a few domain controllers. ICP, for example, is an intelligent cockpit domain controller with powerful computing power that can host intelligent cockpit-related software operations and updates. The associated sensors and controllers, such as in-cabin camera, air conditioning, ambient lighting, etc., are connected to the software operating system via a high-speed communication network through zonal controllers and provides SOA-based flexible and agile services. This architecture allows for more flexible combined development of software-defined features and experiences, as well as continuous iterative upgrades. It also simplifies service issues that would otherwise require the complex integration of multiple ECUs. For example, we have a great opportunity to reduce the number of cable lines by around 55%. Which means in the future, all cars will have more flexible software-defined user experiences and vehicle functionality, more powerful computing capability, and a simpler hardware architecture. At the same time, it provides application programming interfaces, API, through VWOS to support very flexible new application compositions. It's just like using Lego to build anything you want. The selected vehicle functions in the Rainbow Composer toolbox can therefore be easily deployed into related computing platforms, thus enabling an easy software-based one-click combo output. This is a unified and scalable architecture we're developing, as well as the first version of our corresponding V2S software platform. Thanks to this stable, functional platform, we can develop a variety of applications for different use cases, with Rainbow being one such example. In the future, we will create further innovative applications based on it to continuously provide Chinese customers new experiences under OIC, while we focus on self-innovation, closely integrated with ever-changing industry standards. Our innovative applications can be more in line with the actual needs of consumers and better ensure the safety of our customers. Regarding this area, I'm proud to introduce to you our connectivity solutions, V2X. Li Xi, our leader for this project, will share more details with you. Thank you, Dr. Sang. Based on China's connectivity infrastructure and data compliance rules, we have developed 3 V2X functions, which are already deployed in the latest Audi models in China: traffic light information TLI, local hazard information LHI, and local hazard warning LHW functions to better assist our customers' driving and safety on the road. Let me walk you through the highlights of these functions. Traffic light information will provide the driver with concrete second-by-second traffic light information on the road they are driving, with the recommended speed also given based on traffic light information from the intersection ahead to ensure that vehicles pass in green waves. This will improve driving efficiency as well as environmental economy. In some Chinese cities, traffic light information from across the whole city will be available to our relevant Audi customers. An informed driving experience in metropolitan areas makes all the difference, even during rush hour. As a first in-use case in China, this demonstrates the Volkswagen Group and CARIAD team's contribution to the development of smart city innovations in China. Local hazard warning is based on the state-of-the-art V2X technology and advanced direct communication with extremely low latency and extremely high reliability. We offer 6 use cases, one being accident warning, whereby when an accident is detected, the vehicle will provide an instantaneous broadcast message via V2X protocol that alerts the cars behind beyond visual range to mitigate the risk of a rear-end collision. Local hazard information can provide our customers with more concrete and up-to-date hazard information based on connectivity. Swarm data can be captured by and shared to every vehicle on the road equipped with this function via our exclusive automotive cloud to keep our customers informed of any hazardous traffic incident within a 40-kilometer range. The China team for CARIAD is keeping a close eye on the next steps in V2S technology. Our engineers are working on solutions to enable communication between our vehicles and the smart infrastructure, which will further enhance our customers' driving safety and experience. Such functions will be further developed and integrated into the automated driving assist systems, which will require comprehensive scenario analysis and data collection of actual customer behavior. We will bring many V2X scenarios that we have demonstrated over the past few years into mass production as soon as possible. We are committed to providing intelligent connected vehicle capabilities that facilitate the localization of smart traffic as well as the safer mobility experience and optimized vehicle energy consumption to reduce environmental pollution based on distributed connectivity information and intelligence. Thanks, everyone. I will now give the stage back to Dr. Sun. Many thanks, Li Xi. As introduced by Li Xi, V2X products take full advantage of the latest V2X communication standards and real-time stream data processing and analysis technology, and will be integrated with technology concepts such as VWAC in the future. This will effectively expand the single vehicle intelligence to V2X, such as vehicle-road collaboration, vehicle-vehicle collaboration, and vehicle-cloud collaboration, and further connect with ADAS to realize the full range of intelligent mobility experiences. Such integration and innovation of technologies are turning safer, more effective mobility into reality. We are confident and excited about these plans and the progress we have made so far. Also, as Qing already emphasized, in China, talent will be our innovation engine. I'm happy to have so many dynamic young colleagues like Anthea, Li Ying, and Li Xi in my team, who all have expertise in software development. I'm also looking forward to working with more and more innovative and energetic young talents. Together, we will drive the future of software-defined mobility. Thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed my part. Qing, over to you. Thank you, Dr. Sun. And thanks to these young engineers on our team who are not only working hard on projects like Rainbow and V2X, but also on many other local innovations that we hope to bring to Chinese consumers for them to enjoy as soon as possible. In over 30 years of my career, I have seen much positive disruption in the global automotive industry. And in this new era of digitalization, whether in industry, in our lives, or at work, software is playing an increasingly important role. As the famous Silicon Valley saying goes, software is eating the world. I believe that the best way to define the future is to create it. So, at CARIAD, we will walk the talk. I'm proud to be part of this adventure to build innovation together with my team. And we know we are not alone. Our customers will be our best guides. Our group brands, JVs, and third-party developers will be our partners. And together, we will code ourselves a new future. Thank you.